Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning to my lecturer and my friend. Today our group will presentation menu planning and design. I will introduce my team member. My name is Nurul Fadhilah minta Allah and numeric 17 DHF 20F2024. And next, Nid Muhammad Alif Aiman bin Azmi and numeric 17 DHF 20F2016. Next, Nurul Farahani binti Muhammad Nurul 17 DHF 20F2044. Muhammad Akram bin Muhammad Damawan 17 DHF 20F2068. Siti binti Akram 17 DHF 20F2010.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Siti binti Abdulmanan. My metric number is 17 DHF 20F2010. Restaurant concept. The concept of our restaurant is a concept of traditional Javanese food based on banana leaf. Our restaurant will provide the hot item Javanese food in the whole place, nasi ambeng. We also make the concept of eating in a one tray together for people eat. We do this concept because Javanese people usually eat this amber rice at Tahlil ceremony, and they will eat a crown and crowd. Because it to be an attraction for us to create this Javanese restaurant with the concept for eating in a tray. The shop we want to create will also create in the shady area under bamboo trees and bamboo landscape. They attract visitors to shop by our entry. We also make a batik closing term for our employees to further increase the attraction of tourists who shop at the Javanese village restaurant. Menu style and concept. The main menu of restaurant is nasi ambeng, nasi bacaan. For side dish we have pecel. For dessert we have geduk ubi, tepung ketewek and ubi and rodo kemul. For beverage we have sirap selasi and teh ice.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Farahani binti Muhammad Mastur. My metric numbers 17 DHF 20F2044. This is menu card of Village Jowo. Main menu at the menu card Village Jowo is nasi ambeng RM7 1 portion. Have ayam rempah, serunding, ikan masin, bihun goreng. Second, nasi bacaan RM9 1 portion, ayam rempah, serunding, bihun goreng, ikan masin and keluban ubi. The pecel RM6 have a timun, lengkuas, pucuk ubi and kacang panjang. Ketiwul RM4, tepung ubi, ampas kelapa. And the last one, rondo kemul RM4, ubi kayu, ampas kelapa. Include the drink, teh ice and sirap selasi RM3. This is a main menu, dessert and beverage at the Village Jowo. Thank you.
Logo and tagline. Logo. The name of our restaurant is Village Jowo. His name we choose because our restaurant to Village Javanese. We choose nasi ambang, nasi bacaan from the customer. The tagline is beda rasa masakan tetapi sama enaknya makanan bersama. We choose the tagline because we restaurant set the line eating in a track.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Akram bin Muhammad Darawan. My number matrix is F2068. I'm going for our layout. Our layout theme are Jowo culture. So basically, the layout look like little like a village. Our table arranged away from each other. So the customer will feel comfortable when they came to our restaurant. Cause when the table close to each other, it will make the restaurant look messy and uncomfortable. As for the kitchen arrangement, it arranged like this, so it will make it easier for worker in the kitchen to prepare meals without having to crowd or collide with each other.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Alif Aiman. Okay, my matrix number is 17-F20F2016. Okay, if you want to go the Village Jowo restaurant, you can go to Jalan Pelapik CU8 C Bukit Jelutong 40140 Shah Alam, Selangor.